If you're looking to create an opt-in bribe in LeadPages to grow your email list or capture leads, you're in the right place. In this quick LeadPages tutorial, we'll walk through exactly how to set up an opt-in bribe to entice your audience and get them to sign up for your offers. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your LeadPages account and choose whether you want to create a new landing page or use an existing template. I highly recommend starting with a template if you're new, as it saves time and ensures your design looks professional. Once you pick a template, the first thing you need to focus on is your lead magnet. This is the actual opt-in bribe. It can be an ebook, checklist, guide, or any valuable content that your audience will want in exchange for their email. Next, the second thing to do is customize the page. You'll need to replace the placeholder text with your offer's specific details. This is where you craft the messaging that convinces visitors your opt-in bribe is something they can't pass up. Keep it clear, concise, and straight to the point. You don't want to overwhelm them with too much information. Focus on the value they'll get from signing up. The third thing is adding the opt-in form. LeadPages makes this super simple with their built-in form integrations. You can either use LeadPages' default form or integrate it with an email marketing tool like MailChimp, ConvertKit, or ActiveCampaign. Once your form is set up, customize the fields. Usually, just the name and email are necessary. Keep it as simple as possible to increase conversions. Next, you'll want to add a call to action button. This is where you tell people exactly what to do to get your opt-in bribe. Download now, get your free guide, or yes, I want this, are all great examples. The button text needs to be action-driven and tied to the value you're offering. The fifth thing is adding a thank you page or a confirmation page. Once someone opts in, you want to thank them and direct them to the content they just signed up for. LeadPages gives you the option to redirect them to another page or simply display a confirmation message. This step is crucial because it's your last chance to engage the user and either deliver the opt-in bribe or offer them something else to keep them interested. Now, let's talk about the competition. While LeadPages is a powerful tool, it's not the only option out there. Many people consider alternatives like ClickFunnels, Unbounce, or even simpler tools like ConvertFlow. However, LeadPages does have a clear edge in terms of ease of use and integrations, especially if you're just starting out. But there are also some alternatives that could work better depending on your specific goals, especially when it comes to ease of setup and price. Before we wrap up, I want to mention something special. If you've made it this far, you're in for a treat. I've included an exclusive and extended free trial link for LeadPages in the description below. You'll get access to all the features and support, but I'm also sharing a few alternatives with extended free trials that may be a better fit for what you're trying to achieve, and they also offer amazing free trials. By using the link in the description, you'll get access to the best free trial available, along with exclusive benefits just for our viewers. So, be sure to check that out.